In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Freshsales step by step. This connection is useful because it lets Freshsales send and receive email messages directly from your CRM, so your sales conversations stay organized in one place. First, you will log into your Freshsales account. Make sure you are signed into the correct workspace or account you plan to use for sales activities. When you are on the main Freshsales dashboard, take a moment to confirm you can see the menu and your profile controls at the top or side of the screen. This matters because all the next steps depend on accessing the right settings area. Next, click your profile icon and select Settings. On most Freshsales screens, the profile icon is located near the top right corner. After you click it, look for the option labeled Settings. Choosing Settings will take you to the configuration pages where you can control email behavior, integrations, and related options. This is the starting point for connecting your mailbox. Now you will go to the Email Settings tab. Once the Settings page opens, locate the section for email, usually labeled Email Settings. If you see multiple tabs or categories, click the one specifically for email. This step is important because Freshsales organizes features by type, and the mailbox connection lives inside the email configuration area. Taking the time to use the correct tab will prevent you from looking in the wrong place. After that, click Connect Your Mailbox. In the Email Settings area, you should see a button or link that starts the mailbox connection process. Select Connect Your Mailbox to begin adding your email provider. This action tells Freshsales that you want to connect an external email system, and it will open the integration flow. Then, select Google. When the connection options appear, choose Google since you are connecting Gmail. After selecting Google, Freshsales will prompt you to sign in. Use the same Google account that contains the Gmail inbox you want to connect. This selection step matters because it determines the authentication method and the permissions you will be asked to grant. Now you will sign in to your Google account, enter your login details into the Google sign-in window that opens, and proceed through the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If Google offers options such as selecting an account, make sure you choose the account that matches your intended Gmail inbox. Once you complete sign-in successfully, you will return to the authorization portion of the connection process. Next, grant the requested permissions. After you sign in, Google will show a permissions screen that explains what Freshsales will be able to access. Review the permissions so you understand what you are authorizing. When you are ready, confirm the permissions to allow Freshsales to connect to your Gmail. Granting permissions is what enables syncing and ensures Freshsales can read and write the email data it needs for functionality. Finally, configure your sync settings and click Save. Once authorization is complete, Freshsales will typically show options for synchronization. Look for sync controls such as which mailbox to use, how messages are synchronized, and any related syncing preferences that appear in your interface. Configure these settings according to how you want email activity to appear in Freshsales. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, Freshsales will begin connecting and syncing your mailbox based on your configuration. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.